What if I told you that Mars, the cold, silent, lifeless red planet we think we already understand, was once nothing like this? What if Mars once had waves, shorelines, rivers, and maybe even the earliest forms of life? It sounds unbelievable, but the discoveries from China's Zhurong rover are rewriting everything we thought we knew. When the rover touched down on the quiet plains of Utopia Planitia, scientists expected dust, rocks, and an empty landscape. But what Zhurong found shocked the entire scientific world. The rover discovered geological formations that look exactly like ancient Earth beaches: layered sediments, ripple marks, erosion lines, and shoreline patterns shaped by flowing water. Imagine that: ancient beaches on Mars, waves gently carving the surface, rivers cutting across the land, lakes stretching far into the horizon. The evidence is that clear, and the surprises didn't stop there. Zhurong detected hydrated minerals that can only form when water stays in the ground for a long time. It's a quiet but powerful message. Mars was once wet and maybe even alive. If Mars had stable water systems, then primitive microscopic life wasn't just possible, it was likely. Here's the mid-story twist that gets even more interesting. The rover found soil patterns and chemical signatures that only appear in long-term wet climates. This means Mars once had a warmer atmosphere, active weather, and environments where life could survive. Mars wasn't just a dry red rock. It was a world with motion, water, and potential. And these discoveries don't just reveal the past, they shape our future. If frozen water or underground ice still exists beneath the Martian surface, future astronauts could someday use it to drink, grow food, and even produce oxygen and rocket fuel. Suddenly, living on Mars doesn't sound like science fiction anymore. It sounds like a plan. The red planet wasn't always empty. It once held oceans, rivers, and maybe the earliest building blocks of life. And with every new mission, every rover, every discovery, we lift one more layer of mystery off its ancient surface. Mars is finally telling its story, and for the first time, humanity is starting to understand it.